Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need compatible MIUI and 2 apps that support multi-window. Start by opening the first app you want in split screen. Once visible, open recent apps or use the gesture overview. You will see each app's floating icon or 3-dot menu. Press and hold that app's title bar or icon until the split screen option appears. Once the option is visible, drag the app to the top half or choose split screen. This begins the pairing process for the second app. Once the first app occupies one half, choose the second app from Recent, App Drawer, or Home. Many Xiaomi phones let you tap an app icon to fill the other pane or drag it into place. You can switch orientation by rotating the phone or using gestures. Make sure both apps are responsive. Some video or banking apps may block split mode. After placement, adjust the splitter by dragging the divider to change each app's share of the screen for the workflow you need. To finish, drag the middle divider all the way to the top or bottom to close one pane, or use the close control if available. You can also swap panes by tapping the swap icon. If split screen fails, make sure the app allows multi-window, update the system and apps, and retry. Sometimes a reboot or clearing recent apps fixes stale permissions. If problems persist, check MIUI settings for gesture conflicts. Otherwise, you're done and can use split to multitask efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.